Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I found a new melatonin sleep aid to help me sleep and relax at night. This is the Joy Evita Melatonin Diffuser. Joy Evita has designed this capsule, which looks like a capsule, but you don't have to swallow the capsule to get the melatonin, which is what I wanted. They also make a nano. Both of these are inhalers, so you can dose just the right amount for you and what you need without overdosing like a capsule might have done. Melatonin is a hormone in your brain that helps you get into your sleep cycle, so you need that to go to sleep. By taking a supplement, it helps. I've tried a lot of tablets and capsules, but sometimes I don't need that much, so I wanted something I could self-dose. Joy Evita is the name of the company that produces this capsule. This is the device that I inhale to get the amount of melatonin I need to go to sleep. I take puffs of it. You just inhale a little bit at a time and you puff it out. The dosage for an adult is 5 to 10 puffs or up to 50. All of those amounts is fine. It's not going to harm you. So about 30 minutes before I want to go to bed, I will take the puffs of the melatonin. And I'll take about 10 puffs. If I find that hasn't been enough for me, I'll take another 10 puffs when I go to bed. I usually know in about 5 minutes whether I'm ready or not. And the great thing about self-dosing is if I have a hard time in the middle of the night, I can puff a little bit more. I keep it by my bedside. That's my formula. I could take up to 50, but I never need to do that. It's easy to inhale and it doesn't bother my lungs. It's their Joy Evita special formula. Only they make this. The flavor is a red jujube. Red jujube is a fruit, and they use the red jujube extract, which is the perfect addition to the melatonin. Because one of the health benefits of the jujube fruit is it helps you sleep better. So that was the perfect flavor and fruit to put into this inhaler. Jujube fruit is great for insomnia. It's rich in vitamin C, and it soothes anxiety, and it tastes to me like an apple, a sweet apple. So the little flavor I get with the puffs tastes good. And then I have a really restful night of sleep. And melatonin is a hormone produced by your body, and so it's really good for anxiety too. It can relax you. And sometimes I get nervous about all the things I need to do the next day, which really hurts and getting me to sleep. So having some melatonin in me will calm me so I can go to sleep. If you don't know about melatonin, it only stays in your body about 4 to 10 hours. So you're safe, and for me, I just have my latte in the morning and I'm ready to go. When I asked Joy Evita to send me Dream so I can test it for sleep, I also asked them to send a couple other ones because they had a coffee, and that has some materials that give you like an immediate boost anytime. So if I have a task that needed some uplifting, I would take that. It immediately, effectively, and it really relieves any fatigue I have so I can get going. It's made with the coffee extract. Sometimes coffee's not convenient. And sometimes I'm a bit drowsy, so they have another capsule that's called ice. It's cold and refreshing, like a piece of ice, and that can just perk me up. So if I'm driving or doing something really repetitive, like some work or some emails I have to do, that will give me just a little alertness, which I like. I got these online and they were delivered to my door in this box. I had a number of them, so there they are. I put them out here so you can see them. I laid them out, set the boxes up. This is how they come packaged. Really nice design. And on the back of the box, it talks about what's in the box that's in that capsule. And for that Dream, it tells you the directions, and it also talks about the ingredients, which is just the red jujube extract, the melatonin, a little propylene glycol and vegetable glycerin, and that keeps it so it's flowing when it comes out in your inhaler. And in that box comes the capsule, and comes the charger, and the USB-C cable. So with the capsule, you put in this black piece, and when you inhale it, you would have to take off the plastic piece at the top of the inhaler part that goes in your mouth. And when you're done, put it back. You don't want any of the product to leak out. Put the cap back on. You're ready to go, and keep it by your bed. It's wonderful. That way it's handy for you. And the battery capacity lasts a long time. You can hook it up to any USB charger. I hooked mine up to my wall, but I also could have charged it right with my computer. Any USB port is fine. The Nano doesn't need any electric charge at all. It's smaller. It has 1.3 milliliters of product in it. The dosage is the same. It's 10 to 50 puffs right after you take the plastic off. This is handy because you can keep it in your purse. It's lighter weight. Just decide what size you want to go with or get them both. When you need to reorder, you just reorder the bottom part. This you just keep because it'll fit in the replacement, and I love a little magnetic. It slides together by itself. Nice design. The capsule is an integrated system, meaning it's reusable. The nano is a disposable system. Sleep is important, and better sleep means a healthier life. Click the link below and get your Joy Evita Capsule or Capsule Nano and have a good night's sleep. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And this is a recipe for a good night's sleep. Finally. Bye-bye. See you next time. If you like this video, here's some more of my recipes. A lot of them are really soothing comfort foods right over there.